Hello and welcome back to another video here on the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at HCMC stock, Healthier Choices Management Corp. A lot of you guys were asking me to cover more of their financials, some of the happenings in the business, as well as some recent news and what it could potentially mean for the price moving forward. But before we do get into today's video, please go ahead and subscribe with your notification bells on. I upload videos every single day about the best stocks for each week that you guys definitely don't want to miss out on. So if you guys are interested in this, just make sure to have your notification bell on. And I upload every single week. Also, I've recently created a new Patreon page, and I don't usually mention this in my videos, but this is my Patreon page right here. If you guys would like to become patrons, it would support out the channel a lot, and most of the proceeds would actually go to going back into this channel to help make the videos even better. As well as if you guys do become patrons on this channel, you guys will get access to early videos, as well as some of my notes that I take when I'm researching these stocks, as well as many other things. So you guys definitely don't want to miss out on that. If you want to become a patron on this channel, the link will be down below. It's going to be the first link that you guys pretty much see at the top of the description. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into today's video. So just 2 days ago, Healthier Choices Management Corp informed stockholders of key dates and terms related to the announcement of a rights offering that they had made. And any stockholders of HCMC on the 18th, 10 days from now, will be entitled to participate in the rights offering. And they also stated that anyone looking to possibly participate in the rights offering are advised to complete their open market purchases of HCMC's common stock by the 14th in order to be eligible. And so under the proposed rights offering, HCMC will distribute one non-transferable subscription right for each 4 shares of common stock held by a stockholder on the 18th. And each subscription right will entitle the holder to purchase 1 share of HCMC common stock at a subscription price equal to 75% of the trading prices of HCMC's common stock on the OTC pink sheets for the 5 consecutive trading days ending on the expiration date of the rights offering, which is going to be in about 2 to 3 weeks. And there were also a few other things that were announced that stockholders will be entitled to, but they are a bit too specific, and we're not going to be going over those today in this video. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some of my technical analysis on the HCMC charts and some of the key support and resistance levels that I'm going to be watching for the next couple of days and going into next week. So right off the bat, we can see that there's a possible cup and handle formation forming right here. And as you guys can see, the handle is around here, and the cup is just starting to form around this area right here. And now with a cup and handle formation, it's very, very bullish, and typically it consists of a handle which is a significant spike, which we can see right here. It peaked out at 35 hundredths of a cent, and then it's followed by a pullback and then tight consolidation, which is pretty much the cup, this tight consolidation that you guys can see right here. And then that's going to be followed by a lot of retesting of the resistance levels, and then once again another spike, and the second spike will actually pass the first one. So we're going to be seeing something around 36 hundredths of a cent if this actually does turn out to be a cup and handle formation. But there's a lot of missing pieces that we need to actually figure out in order to determine if this will be a cup and handle formation. So I'm going to be watching this for the next couple of days. So with that being said, our eventual price target would be around 36 to 40 hundredths of a cent. That would pass our previous peak at 35 hundredths of a cent, and it would still be very, very close. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice, but for educational purposes only, this is how I would go ahead and play this going into next week. So since the current resistance level is at around 21 hundredths of a cent, share prices would have to retest that point at least a few times, and then even better, consolidate around the 21 to 23 hundredths of a cent range before we can finally start seeing a breakout. And if that actually does end up happening, that's going to be huge for HCMC, and you guys just definitely want to be watching this as a major gain. And you guys just definitely want to be watching out for those key signs. And if any of those things do actually end up happening, I'm personally going to invest a bit more into HCMC, because that's just going to show that it has a lot of potential, for me personally at least. But that's going to be the end of today's video. If you guys did enjoy, please go ahead and leave a like. Subscribe with your notification bells on if you guys haven't already. I upload every single day. Or every other day. And you guys definitely don't want to miss out on that. But that being said, I'll see you guys next time.